What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the brand name Soch, hanging out with your boy Soch Rue, and today we got an unboxing for you guys. Yep, an unboxing. Finally, the channel is being released, and I just wanted to start off unboxing these two pieces that I picked up for my birthday. Now, I've done a lot of research online about them, and a lot of people were detailed, but hopefully I can just add to that, and that's the only reason why I'm unboxing them. I actually thought about saving it and not doing that because it's kind of like a flex review, but this is definitely not a flex review. So I picked up two Cuban pieces for my birthday, like I mentioned. That was in July, but they do take a little bit of time to be made if you get custom pieces, and I do got a story with that, but I'm just gonna show you guys them real quick. Sorry. And that necklace, yeah, that's crazy, right? But yeah, man, so we're gonna weigh them up, run the dimensions on them, talk a little bit, and yeah, I mean, like I said, when I was looking to buy these, I did a lot of research on YT, and it was just, I told myself when I got them, I put them on just so somebody else could look at them. If you were looking to get that dimension, or if you had any questions, comments, make sure you guys do like and subscribe. This is probably gonna be the first video for the channel.
I watched that.
So let's make sure the views get up, and we'll keep the unboxings and all that other stuff rolling. Like I said, guys, you're hanging out with your boy Soch Rue. So make sure you guys follow me on the gram. Put that somewhere in here, and then also the factory at Soch Factory on IG. We print custom t-shirts and all that good shit. But yeah, now back to the video. Cuban link, boom. What you came here for. Check that out though. Hang straight test on the bracelet. Pass. We'll check the weight on that. And that's coming in at 40 grams. I believe Google right now is like $62 a gram on gold. Look, that doesn't kink up or nothing. Boom, look at that. It falls right back in line. Although there was a little hiccup right there, but look at that. Sweet. But yeah, I believe gold right now is $62 a gram. And I'm really kind of just doing this to make sure I got my money's worth. I picked up the scale and the what's the instrument called? I don't know, but it lets me know the thickness of this thing on Amazon, and I ain't got no link in the descriptions yet because this YouTube channel is still new to me, but they'll be out there one of these days, man. Just make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. You'll be in good hands. Now, when picking up this piece though, he did mention to me if you wanted a box clasp like that, that's gonna start in at 8mm. So I know there's the ones that kind of hook in, when you was a kid, and they always popped and broke when you played outside.
You gonna be jazzed?
Well, yeah, I didn't want that, so I wanted a box clasp, and he told me that started at 8mm, and that's why the thickness is 8mm on my pieces. I wanted something every day, nothing too crazy. Like I said, I live in South Florida, so I've seen crazy chains and stuff like that, and that's not me. I just want some gold on me or something like that, Look, this is coming in at 8.04, and online they always say that Daniel Jewelries, they always over bless you, so you're definitely gonna get your money's worth. And like I said, Daniel Jewelry, they're on IG, they're 160, 135K following. They work with a lot of Latino artists and just stuff like that, so I knew they were gonna run off with the money or anything like that. I trusted them. Go ahead and check out the necklace. But yeah, these things definitely do shine. The necklace is coming in at 21 inches in length. And I'll tell you about that story in a second, but I originally got a 20-inch in length, but once you tuck it into a t-shirt, at least for me, I'm 6'1", 160 pounds, but when I tucked it in and I leaned forward, it would always pop out of the t-shirt, and that was something that was annoying. So I paid an additional $200 for that inch. I believe they come in 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and I paid $200 for that 21, right? Just a little bit, 21. But we'll check the weight on this. And that's 109 grams. It's 108.5, 109 grams. I'm still happy regardless. And then when it comes to the width of these, as long as I see 8, I'm really happy. It's kind of like hard to measure them because you want to get on the outside, the most extreme parts of the link. Excuse me. Trying to get tight.
And that's the way, I like it.
As you can see, this one's just 8 on the head. But yeah, so I'm very happy with these pieces. And I'm gonna do it up close on them once I get done talking with you guys. But I'm gonna show you how it looks over a hoodie. If I'm not mistaken, I got a black tee on under this, so I'll show you how it looks on the black tee. And I'll probably post it up on the gram a few times if you guys just want to see how it looks as well. But yeah, over the hoodie, boom, decent. Alright, show you guys how it looks. Another crazy thing, so if you get 2 matching pieces, right? And I probably just realized this, stoned. I doubt I'll ever do this, or anybody else probably ever do this. But if you got 2 of the same matching pieces, right? Technically, you can connect them and make a Mondo chain. Now, I don't know if everybody can be doing that, but yeah. And that's why I got the 20 originally into the 21, but I don't want my chain to be able to come over my head like that, for fighting reasons, you know. But yeah, so I probably won't be doing that. Boom. It's definitely not made to do that. I'm gonna take the hoodie off so I can show you what it looks like on top of that t-shirt. We run the hang straight test on the chain. Look at that. Straight. I don't see any problems. Alright, story time though while I'm throwing this on. So when I originally ran down to Daniel's Jewelry, right? It's a business. Daniel's a businessman. I'm a businessman. I understand it. I get it. I understood what his mind was when the transaction happened. But I walked in, you know what I mean, and just being excited. Like I said, it was like my birthday month, and yeah, I was very excited. I walked in, had the money in my pocket, and it was just like, I want a Cuban chain. Didn't really know what I wanted. Just know I wanted it to be box class. I wanted it to be like, you know what I mean. I wanted when you was at the other end of the room, I wanted you to be like, oh, he got a Cuban on. You know, I didn't want it to be something small. It was just like, it's nice or something cute. No, I wanted a Cuban link chain. And so when I walked in, and you know, like I said, there was no pressure, no problem or nothing, but he showed me a piece that he had in the glass. You know, it was available, and as a business person, yeah, I'm trying to make a sale, and this is what he wants, so he sold it to me. But after I got home, you know, I realized that it was a used piece. It was cleaned very well and all that, but it still had some scratches and dents and stuff like that. So, you know, like I said, my birthday, I didn't want that. I wanted something very new. And that was actually just the necklace. So when I went and brought it back the following day, I actually picked up the bracelet with it. So yeah, guys, when you go pick up your piece, just make sure that you're getting something custom. You're gonna have to wait a little bit. It took me about 2.5 months to get mine, but overall I'm happy. I'm the only one that wore these pieces. There's no additional scratches that I ain't put on there. You know what I mean? So just stuff like that. Like, it just gave me my peace of mind. Especially when you spend so much money. You know what I mean? You spend a lot of money on these things. So yeah. Other than that, though, let's see what comes with it. You're gonna get these wipes. I went ahead and got a few extra on Amazon, but it keeps the jewelry clean every once in a while. I heard you're not supposed to really wipe them too much. You wipe the shine right out of them things. But yeah, you want to make sure you keep your jewelry cleaned. And other than that, man, I think that's about it. I'm gonna do some close-ups on this with me out of the camera and all that, just so you can see. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below. Subscribe. We'll be releasing other videos, like how to print t-shirt, kind of like this here, how to print t-shirts, more unboxing videos like these that I still have to do. I got that BMW F36 out there. We'll be dropping some mods on that. So if you like videos like this, definitely hit that like button. It'll help the channel. Subscribe, definitely will help the channel. I'm trying to actually make my money back on these chains. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm trying to get my money back, bro. But nah, and when we were also down there in Miami, man, we picked up some other cool things. You know, they just go, man. They just go with the flow. So got the Vapor Max on deck. Oh, and man, if you're into colognes and stuff like that, I can't really review them on YouTube. Probably we'll think about that. But Paco Rabanne, if you like gold, it's ain't the million. The million is fire, and I got that. But this is the newest piece that they got. It might be the 1 million parfum, maybe, I don't know. But man, if you smells like crushed heart, yeah, killer. So yeah, guys, make sure you definitely check in and keep in the loop. Instagram is gonna be soch.ru. If you're looking to order some t-shirts, make sure you follow us on the Soch Factory on IG and Facebook. So you guys stay blessed out there. Oh yeah, Lil 19, that's probably why it took me so long to get my pieces back. But yeah, make sure you guys keep your face masks on and all that other good stuff. 2020 has been a hell of a year. We're gonna try to come back next year, well, the remainder of this year into next year, a little bit stronger. Like I said, we're kicking off the YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys. So you guys have a great day. Brand out, Soch out, Rue out. Later. Somebody cut this camera off.